Так, всем привет. Погнали наш городских. Так, что-то у нас звонит, по-моему, кто-то должен, да? О, сразу на улицу, да? Так, где я там? А вот ДП какой-то. Джимми Пигарин опять, что ли? Ну, пойдем. Покончим наконец-то с ним.
Sir, I need your car. Fuck it, take it. Ain't shit sweet, son.
Hey man, it's me. We are gentlemen. We should go to a gentleman's club together.
Oh, shit! I am too busy for the strippers. Another time, cousin.
Okay, man. We shall do something another time.
Ты нам нужен немедленно вертолёт. Джейкоб, понедельник поезд, он нужен будет приехать. Джейкоб, никаких вопросов, не надо, чтобы ты настал попал из вертолета. Я его последний раз видел на этих Хайнс с МД. Встретить Джейкоба на авторазборе. Так, где там этот авторазбор-то? Ёптать, фару разбил, блин, бампер сломал. Ну ладно. Газ не включим. Блять. Блять, вовремя. Оглянулся. Сядьте. Вертолёт.
Yes, here's my man Nico.
Hey, Jacob.
Следуйте за вертолётом и ждите подходящего момента, чтобы сбить его.
Yo, nigga, some serious firepower up in here. Rocket launcher, move!
Let's find him and get this over with. I don't like being in this man's pocket.
Ain't nothing but bada.
Я вышел опять. Да? Не вижу.
Chopper, stick to him, Nico. We need to take him down there with no people.
For a man who has asked me to kill a lot of men, this guy is really safety conscious.
See? What's going vexed with our night for losing that rascal, you know? Sure, one love, my brother.
Что делать? Блять, я чего, упустил его, что ли? Разбором. Че, вы охуели, что ли, блядь? Я, блядь, туда че, пешком должен бежать? Давай, вылазь, блядь. Штерну, блядь. Вот, блядь, что, блядь. Далеко. Это я умею.
Yes, here's my man Nico.
Hey, Jacob.
Джейкоб. Все.
Yo, nigga, some serious firepower up in here. Rocket launcher, boom!
Let's find him and get this over with. I don't like being in this man's pocket.
Ain't nothing but butter. Chopper, stick to him, Nico. We need to take him down there with no people.
For a man who has asked me to kill a lot of men, this guy is really safety conscious.
Saying, you got that government thing about him. I feel the greater good and thing.
I have the feeling you don't want to be responsible for the helicopter crash in Middle Park.
True that. Yo, this be some crazy shit in a Nico. Yo, in the star jumps in a helicopter, there's some real spy shit I is doing it up.
Shows you that the people who need spy shit done get other people to do their dirty work.
Same, Bridget, everything crashed.
Shit, Jacob! You really gotta smoke that thing now? The secondary smoke doesn't exactly help my hand-eye coordination. And I'm paranoid enough with US government on my ass. Whatever. Actually, just smoke it.
Martin, walk one!
Don't worry about the bridge, Jacob. I'm finally getting the hang of flying this thing.
Show respect. You're righteous road boy, Nico. It's over the water. No other time. I can't think of some of this damn turbulence going on. Granted, that's just fuck me. I need to be back in the line. Keep steady for the shot now.
Come on, Jacob! You need new lenses in those glances? Hit the thing!
Stand on my minute for sure.
Есть.
Good shot, Jacob!
We got some crucial flying skills in the Nico. When you drop iron and find the helipad though, you don't feel so good, you know. Trust me, this thing I'm messing with structure. Yo, job well done, you know, Nico. But we have to get out of this bomber clad dead right now, you know.
I do not think he can ask us to do more than this. Now it's our turn to get him to help us. If someone can find the man I search for, it should be him.
Let's do it.
Пролетел наверх. Ничего страшного. Есть.
Nico, you don't know you're the man, you know? Sight the man soon, see?
We shot down that chopper for you.
You think I don't know that? You think I've been sitting around scratching my balls with my head up my ass?
I'd be impressed if you had been.
I appreciate your assistance, Pelic. You did a good thing today. Now it's my turn. I will try to find the man you're after. I will call when I have something.
Hey,
sorry.
Watch my clean living ass.
Damn it! You motherfuckers think you're too good for these? Why are you playing me? Tastiest hot dogs, softest buns, right here.
Sorry, man, but this is a carjacking.
Who do you think you are? Show me what you got.
I see.
Nico, I've been invited to your cousin's wedding.
I didn't think you guys knew each other.
Nor did I. He called me up and said that you really liked me and wanted me to be there. Is that true, Nico?
I guess it is.
I'll see you at the wedding then.
Так, и чего? Ну, поехали, короче, поехали.
Doesn't that smell good?
Joker.
О, мотоцикл.
Come on, get out of the way.
Yeah, I knew I'd find my ride, you pussy!
Now get the hell out of here.
Виртуальная база, значит. Хуйня какая-то.
You as well. Tell me it ain't you as well.
Hey,
you
hey, hey!
fuck.
What are you talking about?
Speak, you bulking piece of shit. I'm done with you. Done with everyone. I'll go, but I ain't going quietly.
Mr. Pegorino, I don't know what you're talking about. I came as quickly as I could.
Fucking Anthony!
What about Anthony?
He was wearing a fucking wire!
That is a problem.
My personal bodyguard wearing a wire! I raised that kid like he was my own! I beat him like he was my own son! When my son killed himself, Anthony became my son. Now this! The world is a cunt!
Where is Anthony?
I heard he's wearing a wire, so I freak out. I call him up. He's such a moron, he leaves his cell phone on. So we speak. After he's gone states, of course. I mean, Jesus. What a chump! He freaks out on the phone, and I put the fear of God in him. I think maybe I've talked him out of it. Then, he has a goddamn heart attack on the phone. I'm thinking problem solved. He's dying right in front of my ears. But the asshole lived, and now he's in the Leftwood Hospital under heavy guard.
Okay, okay.
Of course, he's got you on the fucking tape, too.
Of course.
So you'll do this for me.
So you want me to talk to him?
I want you to whack him. And after that, I want you to kill all the other rats I surround myself with.
Okay, okay. Don't worry.
Выходит так. Ну, езжайте в больницу. Но если у меня мопед опять свезли, блядь, я никуда не поеду. Так, бронежилет интересно. А больница-то вот она. Я понял.
Jesus, I've got 3 shifts back to back. My job properly when I can't even afford a proper place to sleep.
Тут замки кругом. Ага. Вот здесь нет замков.
You're not like the other surgeons here. You don't have that, you know, God complex thingy.
I guess it's my bedside manner.
John, you're terrible.
Anyone flatlines from here in, it's someone else's problem.
Dr. Rosen.
Do I know you? I've seen so many green doctors, patients, and cadavers. I don't recognize anyone anymore.
Ну что за фигня такая происходит? Куда идти-то?
Cops act all nice when they get shot, but it's Mr. Tough Guy now that they're down the hall with a witness.
patient's back there, Doc. Look after him.
Can I have some time alone with my patient?
I wanted to stretch my legs anyway.
Boss? Peg, is that you? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Shit, Nico. You here to see the boss? He's just this way. Wait, isn't the boss in jail? What are you here for? Shit. I didn't have a choice. They were gonna put me away for some hard...
Go to sleep, Anthony. You look tired.
Tell Peg... I'm sorry.
The witness is down! Stop that doctor! You're mine now! People like you never change.
Wanted it the hard way.
Ёптамить.
Better get CSI on the horn.
Так, окей. Переиграем. Сейчас сделаем. Бля, что на этой тачке жесть?
You're not like the other surgeons here. You don't have that, you know, God complex thingy.
I guess it's my bedside manner.
John, you're terrible.
He's not looking too good, Doc.
Anyone flatlines from here?
I need a little doctor-patient confidentiality.
You can have 1 minute.
Boss?
Oh, it looks like I messed something up. Sorry about that, Anthony.
The witness is down! Stop that doctor!
I'm gonna take him! You stay right where you are!
Hey, watch out for those cops. They're down the hall acting like they own it.
Die, you shit!
All hands to an attack on an officer in leftward. You can't escape the sound, tough guy. Give it up.
Out of my way!
Dispatch units from leftward. Subject eastbound in the red limo. Suspect last seen. Drive west.
Ёб твою мать. Давай, давай уже, блядь, прекращай. Что за хуйня? другого цвета. Так, нет, надо гнать, блин.
For this little pay, I might as well work at Burger Shot. You're not like the other surgeons here. You don't have that, you know, God complex thingy.
I guess it's my bedside manner.
John, you're terrible.
He's not looking too good, Doc.
Can I have some time alone with my patient?
I wanted to stretch my legs anyway.
Boss? Peg, is that you? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Go to sleep, Anthony. You look tired.
My arm! Oh, Peg! Peg!
Have fun with me!
Pedestrian down. Repeat, pedestrian's been shot.
Available units respond.
Doctor! Fuck you!
Is that my blood? Oh, Jesus!
I don't think you will be seeing Anthony on the witness stand.
I better not be seeing you up there neither. Or anybody else I know for that matter. This fucking bitch turning everybody into rats. See you around, Nico.
Так, где мы? О, да, вот сюда заедем, посмотрим, что здесь. Коль мы тут уж недалеко. Так, еще буква Г какая-то на карте появилась. Много тут полицейских машин. Охраняй ее.
Hey. Yeah, so, anyway, a friend of mine in here tells me that a close friend of yours, who you've been spending a lot of time with recently, swept her clean off her feet. Okay. Yeah, her old boyfriend wants her back. They always do. Desperately and quickly, and he's looking for her. I think you and her should go out on a glamorous date in Algonquin. Show her a new pad. Then, things will be okay between you two. But move your fucking ass, pal. Women don't like a chump. You get me?
Так, езжайте в квартиру конспиративную, да? Где моя тачка? Вон она. Давай, давай, быстрее, блядь. Разлегся, блядь, ебаный. Мальчишка, блядь. Всегда, наверное, пробка на мосту, блядь. Жмутся, блядь, друг к другу и стоят, блядь. Не знаю, что делать. Ну, точно, блин. Давай, сходите. Вот так вот, чтобы у нас это было. Куда ты приехал? Ну, загрузка.
You're moving over to Bowling Street.
Not in the cab of this car, I'm not. After last time, she can ride in the trunk.
Fair enough. Bitch just bit me. I think she has something to say.
Motherfuckers, when my daddy finds you, he's gonna kill you. He's gonna kill everybody you met.
Thanks a lot.
И шо, куда я? Антисолод, чего вас на хвосте? Быстро гоните в конспиративную квартиру.
Close the borders to get the like you!
What did I do to you? You fucking nutter!
I can't believe I'm suffocating back here, you immigrant fuck! This is nothing in comparison with what Daddy's gonna do to you!
Alright, slow down! I'm going to smack that on you!
You fucking bastard! Let me out! Let me out! There's a close of borders to sex like you! I can't believe I'm suffocating back in the immigrant fuck! This is nothing in comparison with what Daddy's gonna do to you! You fucking bastard!
Sorry, guys. We're keeping this bitch.
Let me out! Let me out!
Есть.
Nico, my man.
приехали.
Kay's taking over on my duty, so I'll be watching this Guido bitch for you. Where is she?
In the trunk. She don't play too nice up front.
Gracie, act nice now. You motherfuckers, don't rip your
okay.
cocks off!
Ух ты, нет, нафиг надо, да?
She's a wild one. I'll try to calm her down. See you later, Nico.
I'm gonna fucking kill you! I'll fucking kill you!
Сейчас. Уговаривать, что ли? Так, есть. Так. О. ДМ что-то моргает, да? Что-то далеко больно. Это кто-то? Джерри какой-то. Так. Экскурсия на вертолёте. Вместе, наверное, вот сюда. Ну, сперва, наверное. Ну, поехали, наверное, вот сюда вот съездим. Так, а если мы вызовем... Вот, наверное, сообщения какие-то есть. Так, телефонная книга. Был, Берни. Куда мне звонить надо, что ли?
Buddy!
Так, какую кнопку надо нажать, чтобы сесть на тебя?
Hey, Kev!
Так, у меня там... Так... Смотать, наверное, майку. Так, окей. Ох. Что делать? Вот там тачку достал. О, на другой стороне идет покраска там есть. Так, а это что? Че ж дорога-то, куда я там маршрут проложил? А, это Г. Ну поехали, посмотрим, что там такое вообще за Г. Потом помогать будем всем.
Gioca!
Так, ну-ка, лавировать осторожно. Они любят перестраиваться местами всего. Так, съехали. Помощь какая-то. А что здесь? Свита.
I'm here to see Mr. Gravelli. I was sent by a mutual friend.
Come on.
No.
Someone here to see you. Here.
Oh, so you're the one who's getting involved with that nonsense for my dear friend James Pegorino.
I don't know what you're...
Spare me, please. I'm an old man. I ain't got much time left. Our mutual friend told me everything. Thank you. It made me laugh.
My pleasure.
People are so damn vain.
Some people?
All people. Even you, even me, an old man facing the end. And I still care. Care how I look. Care that when I shit myself, the pretty nurse has to clean it up. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, well, you know...
And I care about my legacy. I've worked hard for this line of work. Now some Russian assholes think they can march in and take control of rackets my family has run for 50 years!
You mean 50 years of you bleeding the city dry might finally come to an end?
I know it's a terrible tragedy. But if it wasn't me, it would just be someone else. So it might as well be me.
Yes.
Let me tell you, that faggot friend of yours, Bernie Crane, his boyfriend, he's being blackmailed by them damn Russians. They want him to put certain contracts up for tender. Windows, bus lines, cleaning, ones we control. These Russian fucking bastards are trying to finish us.
What do you want me to do about it?
I want you to work with me.
In exchange for what?
The police have a file on you an inch thick in exchange for that. In exchange for that guy you've been asking about being brought here from wherever it is he's hiding, Switzerland or some shit.
Okay, good. What do you want me to do?
A good friend of mine is coming into town to give a speech on the new threat to Liberty City, Russian organized crime. I got a feeling some people ain't gonna want that speech to happen. Maybe the guy you love, this Dmitri Raskolov, has an interest in keeping the story out of the press. Make sure our boy gets to City Hall. He's coming in from upstate. He'll be at Grand Eastern Terminal on Bismarck. Thank you.
Так. Направляйтесь в Grand Eastern Terminal. Чуть не рассчитал, да, сам ты надо так. Блин, здоровья мало. Так, шорт побери. Нам был заехать за оружием. То есть за оружием, за бронежилетом. Как-то не камильфо совсем.
This is some crazy weather, huh?
Yeah, life's funny. So is cancer.
Feel free to browse, buddy, but don't try anything funny.
Есть. Так. Коллаж взять. Давай возьмем сколько.
Nice choice. Classic, reliable, and attractive to the eye.
На 570 там, 500 мест.
Have a good day, sir.
Красота среди бегущих. Первых бегущих. Ах ты, дождь пошла. Точно, значит. Девочка, давай-ка вылезай по-хорошему. Да, у нее еще. Что это за тачан такой? Что сделать-то? Так. И все, что ли?
You guys waiting for me?
Nico Bellic, right?
Yeah, that's me.
Stay in convoy with us all the way to City Hall. All right?
Sure.
Почему? В этом автомобиле. Лондон Джефферсон. Следуйте за автомобилем конвоя.
John, how are you? Of course. Well, I'm coming to see you as soon as I've delivered the speech.
Ничего.
Don't say that, John. You'll be feeling like a teenager again in no time. Those are the wonders of modern medicine. Oh, I'm gonna bring up everything we discussed. When I'm done at the podium, Mayor Ochoa is gonna be dedicating half his annual budget to cleaning this problem up. He doesn't want to start getting reckless with the lives of Liberty City voters. No, John, if it's your problem, it's my problem as well. Take a deep breath, John.
Hey, baby, does the carpet match the curtain?
Yeah,
That's it.
I know I'm hot.
I'll talk to you later. Driver, why is this road closed? Is there a problem?
Another roadblock?
Опачки.
This definitely wasn't meant on the
Так и
traffic
знал.
report. I'm gonna go and move the barriers.
Come on, Mr. Jefferson. Let's get out of here.
Stop at anything, these people. If I get out of this, punks like Dimitri Rascalov here.
You should not have fucked with me.
Давай, давай, на меня! You are surrounded!
Don't fuck with me!
No time to go.
Come on! I'll cut off your fucking head!
Ёб твою мать. Так, ладно, люди. Кто там смотрит? Давайте на сегодня все. До завтра. Пока.